The stress and excitement of buying a house has come and gone, and now it's time to hang a welcome sign and call it home. Buying your new home is like a dream come true for average family, and the last thing anyone thinks about is what's next after you have a place of your own. Most likely you are only thinking about the housewarming party, which will be the first thing you will prepare yourself and start spending money decorating your place. Buying furniture for each and every room. You pay attention to all the details from carpets to the doorknobs, but no one is thinking that house will come with a lot of new budget that you have never dealt with before, and that can pretty stressful, so all at once the excitement of buying a house will be gone. But it doesn't have to be this way, and with a little bit of planning you will always enjoy this house which has become your home forever to live and cherish. First and foremost, secure your house by buying home insurance first. For this, a lot of research needs to be done according to your requirement. That which homeowners insurance do you need? A lot of the time, since the new buyer is naive, they think just buying any insurance is enough and usually go for the cheapest without paying attention to the coverage, and this can be very costly in long run. One should always compare the home insurance quotes. There is no question about that, but you should see where you are getting the most coverage for the price and make decision based on that homeowner's insurance, and this will always save you money in the long run, and more than that, you will always have peace of mind that no matter what happens, your home and family will be in good hands and be protected. Now once that's is done, go and enjoy your home sweet home and create memories with your family and friends, but always remember a little planning and wisdom goes a long way.